LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings, such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance. And the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Shuzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large-span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents. Also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability. Recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Shuzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wet machining. This is the punching of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bowl. Then the bowl is machinized. ball is solid, the weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The ball balls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed.
Glass dome is usually made of tempered laminated glass, ultra-white glass and other high-strength, high-light transmittance materials with high transparency, good appearance, lightweight and other advantages. The glass dome is able to change with the skylight, bringing natural and soft light into the interior while reducing the use of indoor lighting and air conditioning, saving energy. Now let's look at some of the details. These are high-strength bolts. The role of high-strength bolts in the space frame structure is mainly reflected in the connection fastening and enhancing the overall stability. These are sleeves. The sleeve is mainly used to connect the steel bar, which is to connect two or more steel bars through the sleeve to form an overall structure.
A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. This is the dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome coal bunker is mostly used in vertical large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain. The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation.
Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is the first to adopt three-dimensional curved plane concrete beam and column modeling. The four corners of the rail column have curved cutting angles that gradually change from top to bottom. The rail beam has curved axillars at the intersection of the beam and column, which makes the overall curve effect of regular change, highlighting the construction aesthetics and showing a unique rhythm. During the construction of the steel structure of Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station, a number of advanced technologies and management measures have been adopted. For example, each steel component is equipped with its own ID card, which summarizes all kinds of information such as production time, production location, inspection personnel, logistics personnel, installation workers, installation location, etc., to achieve the whole process and whole process big data management. At the same time, a comprehensive structure health monitoring intelligent sensing system based on multiple parameters such as temperature, strain, displacement, vibration, and video images has been established to ensure the safety and stability of the structure during construction and operation. The space frame structure hangar is a kind of large building using the grid structure as the roof support system, which is mainly used for parking, maintenance, and maintenance of aircraft. The space frame structure hangar has the characteristics of large span, which can meet the space demand of large aircraft parking and maintenance. The span of the space frame structure can reach tens of meters to hundreds of meters, ensuring that the internal space of the hangar is spacious. Double-layer space frame is a space structure composed of upper chord, lower chord, and belly bar, which has the advantages of high overall stiffness and good stability, suitable for large-span hangar, can provide good space support. When the hangar span is very large, a space frame structure of 3 or more layers can be used. The multi-layer space frame structure has high overall stability and structural redundancy, which can ensure the safety and stability of the hangar. The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yan'an province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yan'an and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yan'an. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yan'an Airport terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts space frame structure, and the space curved network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life. First of all, the foundation construction, including foundation treatment, foundation pouring, and other steps to ensure that the foundation of the building is stable and reliable. Then, according to the design drawings, the beam, column, and other components are prefabricated. These components can be precisely machined in the factory to improve construction efficiency and component quality. The prefabricated components are transported to the construction site and hoisted using lifting equipment. In the hoisting process, it is necessary to ensure the accuracy and stability of the components to avoid collision and damage. Then, the hoisted components are connected to each other. This usually involves welding, bolting, and other processes, which need to ensure that the connection is strong, reliable, and meets the design requirements. After the component connection is completed, the whole structure is corrected and fixed. This includes adjusting the position, height, and inclination of the components to ensure the stability and accuracy of the overall structure. Finally, after the completion of the main structure, the external wall, roof, and other parts of the filling and decoration work. These works can be personalized according to the design requirements to improve the aesthetics and practicality of the building. Space frame structure has been widely used in modern architecture. During the installation process, it is necessary to strictly abide by the construction specifications and design requirements to ensure the safety and stability of the structure. Space frame structure has been widely used in modern architecture. During the installation process, it is necessary to strictly abide by the construction specifications and design requirements to ensure the safety and stability of the structure. In addition to the building seen in life, the space frame structure is also widely used in the construction of industrial fields such as power plant, coal bunker, and industrial plant. The dry coal bunkers building function is mainly used for large storage warehouses, so it must have a certain storage and working space. That is, the structure must meet certain clearance requirements. Moreover, the cross-sectional shape of its effective use space is trapezoidal, and the envelope of the workspace is close to the arc shape. The Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is a comprehensive transportation hub integrating high-speed rail, intercity railway, subway, bus, and other modes of transportation. In the video, it can be seen that the platform layers are scattered, and the high-speed train shuttles through them like a silver dragon, efficiently connecting Beijing, Tianjin, and other parts of Hebei province, greatly shortening the time and space distance between the cities. The sorting facilities in the station are perfect, from intelligent security check, face recognition, to automatic ticketing, information query. Every detail reflects the humanistic care of science and technology, which provides great convenience for passengers. The steel structure project of Shongan High-Speed Railway Station is a frame structure system with a total steel consumption which exceeds the total steel consumption of both next stadium and is the leader in the steel structure consumption of large domestic transportation hubs.
The following shows you some steel structure space frame buildings. From blueprint to reality, each precisely calculated steel beam is a dual commitment to safety and aesthetics. Each step is a quest for perfect structural strength. Engineers have calculated carefully to ensure that every inch of steel can withstand the most demanding competition tests. Green energy saving is another highlight of the space frame gymnasium. Solar panels provide clean energy for the venue, and rainwater collection systems recycle water resources to protect our beautiful home planet. Into the interior, modern design, and humanistic care. The playing field adapts international standards and is ready for every passionate encounter. Every detail shows respect for the spirit of sports. Stepping into the museum is like traveling through multidimensional space. The well-arranged space layout is not only the ultimate pursuit of architectural aesthetics, but also a deep tribute to the history and culture of the exhibits. At every step, you can feel the integration of history and modernity. The unique space frame design makes every corner of the museum full of surprises. The cantilever roof and the staggered beams and columns not only support the weight of the building, but also bear the crystallization of human wisdom. Every detail is a profound interpretation of architectural art.
The spatial framework of the cathedral is made of high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel. The steel has excellent mechanical properties and durability and can withstand a variety of loads inside and outside the cathedral, including spectator loads, wind loads, snow loads, etc. At the same time, the plasticity and workability of steel also enable the spatial frame structure of the cathedral to achieve a variety of complex shapes and details. The design of the space frame structure of the cathedral fully considers the safety, stability, and economy of the structure. Through accurate calculation and analysis, the designer determined a reasonable structural arrangement and component size to ensure the stability and safety of the cathedral under various loads. At the same time, the designers also considered the economy and aesthetics of the structure by optimizing the structural form and material use, reducing the construction cost, and achieving the grand appearance of the cathedral and the comfort of the interior space.
If you have a similar project, you can contact us at any time. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.